Hi, welcome to another Ecosports video. This time I'm going to go to Chifley Dam, the main water supply for Bathurst. So the trip will take about 25 kilometres, so it'll be about an hour there, an hour back, plus a bit of time at the dam. Taking the trusty Trekkie Monda ALR4.
Just beautiful of the autumn colours on the trees. Heading onto Lagoon Road now, out to the dam. So it says Chifley Dam closed up ahead. That's because there's too much algae there. So you can't swim or paddle, but you can sort of go there and go back again, as long as you're not touching the water. So you may have noticed I've got my headlight and tail light on, high-vis vest on, mirror on the bike, and high-vis socks on, and my Bontrager wave cell extra shock absorbing helmet on. So I think you need all that safety gear when you're going anywhere near cars. You see people cycling in dark clothes, no high-vis vest on, and you want to be as visible as you can. Heading to the horse property now. So this is where I turn right on the B2B, but I'm going to go straight ahead to Chifley Dam. Just love descending, so good. 50 k's an hour. Woohoo! Almost there now, up to the Chifley Dam turn off up ahead. Done 23 k's so far, one more k just to get up to the actual dam. I haven't been here in so long. It's just beautiful countryside out here. There's a little bit of green, but we still need a lot more rain to fill up this dam. It's only about 33% capacity. So I'll do the first section where the cabins are with holiday accommodation, and I'll do where the dam wall is afterwards. There we have it, Chifley Dam, Bathurst. Because of COVID, cabins are closed because holiday accommodation, playgrounds are closed. Bit of a shame. The toilet block just here. Children's area. Cabins are to my right. They sleep up to 16 people. There you have it. Made it to Chifley Dam. Took about an hour and 5 minutes. About 26 kilometres. So that's half of it done. Got to ride back, but I'll have a look around first. So this is the water supply for Bathurst. We certainly need some more rain. As I said before, it's down to about 33%. So the water used to be beyond the boat ramp here. It used to be a bit before those signs, the water used to come up to. Quite eerie being here, absolutely no one here, no one swimming, boating or anything. So there's not much green on the water, so a bit to the right up there is a bit green. So the algae's definitely improved compared to what it was, but because of the COVID situation I think they've closed it as well. So I'll have a ride to the main dam wall now. This section's basically the kids' playground area and cabins and one boat ramp, and there's another boat ramp across there. Coming up to the main wall now. Got barbecue areas to my right here. This is named after Prime Minister Ben Chifley, who came from Bathurst, one of the early Australian Prime Ministers. Dam closed for all water related activities. There's a few people walking here. I'll keep my physical distance away from them. There's an overflow and the dam's full, comes over there, down here. All this is completely empty. Just look at that view. It's just beautiful being out in the country here. Got this new pouch for my Oppo phone. It's a 6.5 inch phone, it's a lot bigger. So the phone slips in there and that just goes around my waist on my back while I'm riding. Quite a handy thing. Just beautiful out here. When the dam's full, it's about 10 kilometres all the way from here upstream to the tail end of it. Better head back now. I love that gate decoration, it's beautiful. Back to the welcome to Bathurst signs. I'm on the homeward stretch now. It's a bit of a headwind now, it's just a bit of a pain. Back over the bridge again. Really cheap in these times. $1.09 for diesel, just then usually it's $1.50 or more. Almost made it back now. Be about 54 k's, which I'm pretty pleased with. I'll check the Strava later. So weather was just perfect today, nice and sunny, a little bit of a breeze. Hasn't been this warm for a few days.